We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
In today's lecture, we have discussed the example based on the signal operation, a basic example or advanced example based on the signal operation. What is the classification of signal operation? First, it is known as shifting operation. Second, it is known as scaling operation. Third, it is known as folding operation. Now, we have discussed the example based on that. Say here it is t and it is considered as a x of t. See, this is the question. Again, repeat. This is the question. Now, see, this is the plus one. Here 2 and here minus 1. So determine the operation here. First operation x of t plus 1. Second x of minus 2t minus 1. Determine these two operations based on given x of t. So first of all, x of 2t plus 1 first applied here which operation? So the shifting operation. Why? Because if you want to compress this particular video, see this. So first of all, I have saved this location from here to here. Suppose I have explained with example. Suppose this is the video broadcast recording. Now, if we want to move the position from here to here, and then we want to compress the data, then at that time which operation we should do first? See, move from here to here. Move this from here to here, so that we can say that first applied the shifting operation, then applied the whatever shift signal, then applied the operation which can be related to scaling. Scaling means what? Either compression or expansion. So first of all, apply the shifting operation. So shifting operation means what? Shift the entire signal to the left side. Shift the entire signal to the left side. So here start with minus 2 with 1 unit. See here, if here 2, then shift with respect to 2 unit. Here 3, then shift with respect to 3 units. See this. See this one indicate start with this one indicate start with minus 2, and here we can write 1. Here we can write 1. Now from minus 2 to 0, signal can be like that, and from 0 to 1, signal can be like that. So it is considered as a x of t plus 1. It is considered as a x of t plus 1 shift the signal. Now I have write here now apply the operation of compression. So means what? Divide with 2. If here 3 is given, then divide with 3. So here divide with 2. See here continuous signal is present. That's why overall graph is remain constant. So minus 2 divided by 2 means what? Minus 1. So now this graph can be start with, here it is known as t, here it is known as x of t. Divide the time value with respect to 2. So now it can be start with minus 1. Now it can be start with minus 1, and here 1 divided by 2 means what? Completed at zero point 0.5. So here we can get this type of signal. See, this is the compressed image. This is the straight line. See, this is the compressed image, or we can say it is known as x of 2t plus 1. So it is the answer, x of 2t plus 1. So it is the answer. It is considered as a final answer. It is considered as a final answer of given question. So x of 2t plus 1 operation is complete. First shift the signal, then apply the scaling operation. So it is the example that can be related to signal operation. That's why we have discussed in this particular lecture. Now concentrate on the another concept which is different compared to this, So I would like to erase this particular portion. X of t as it is, but here we can apply x of minus 2t plus 1. What is the meaning of x of minus 2t plus 1? Means what? First of all, take minus sign as a common. Minus 2t minus 1. So here consider as a minus sign can be considered as a common. So in bracket 2t plus 1. So first we can take minus sign common. આપણે પહેલા minus sign common કાઢી. એટલે what is the first operation that can be applied? પહેલું operation ક્યુ apply થશે? તો કે mirror. Then we can apply shifting. Then we can apply how it is connected with live application. Suppose this is the video broadcasting, and if you want to mirror this image, that's why first of all applied the folding operation, and then we have shift the image from this location to this location like that. So it is known as mirror, shifting, and scaling. Three operations that can be required to perform on this particular signal if you want to find x of minus 2t minus 1. So please try to see this example very carefully. Mirror operation. Mirror operation means what? Mirror operation means what? See this. See this. This is the mirror operation. Minus 1 to 1. And here we can write x of minus t. X of minus t. Now we would like to shift the signal. Shift the signal means what? To shift the 1 unit left. Shift the 1 unit left. Shift the 1 unit left. So here start at -3, -2 to 0. See, this is the shifting. -2 to 0. And now we would like to compress this image. So -1.5 here, -1, and here 0. So here x of -2t -1. Start here at -1.5. Divide with 2. Just divide with 2. So here we can get -1. Here we can get -1. So it is the answer. Here it is known as 0. Why? Because 0 divided by 2, answer is 0. So it is the last answer for question 2. So it is the complete explanation or complete example related to signal operation. I have explained this. First, shift the signal, then apply the compression or expansion process, then apply the compression and expansion process. So based on that, do the more example. You will able to practice now onwards because I have understand clearly here. Now, now see. Entire solution I have sharing with entire solution signal system material. Now see, I have discussed this example. This is given x of t. Determine x of minus t plus 1. So first of all, take minus sign common. So apply the mirror operation. So here signal can be shift. Here this signal can be shift like that. So here mirror operation. And if you can take minus sign common, then apply the delay operation. Delay operation means what? Shift the entire signal to right side. See this. Here -2 to -1, it can be shift to -1 to 0. It is known as mirror and delay. And here mirror and advance with 2 units. So it is the complete example. Now see, this is the example. This is the unsolved example related to Oppenheim Shepherd book. So I have solved this example. X of t minus 2. See this. I have given the provide the solution. X of t minus 2 for given signal. So entire signal shift from -2 to 0. See this. Here it can be shift from 0 to 1. Up to 5 this unit can be shift. See this x of t minus 2. Next operation x of minus t. X of minus t means what? Just apply the mirror operation of x of t. See this. We apply the mirror operation of x of t. So here we can get x of minus t. And here, see this -2 to -3 signal can be present. See this only sampled. Consider this signal as x of t. Just move like that. It is known as mirror. So apply the x of minus t for this given signal. So entire signal can be shift. See this signal is present here. See this signal is present here. So it can be shift in the right side. Shift, similarly for right side signal shift in the right side signal shift in the left side signal shift in the right side. So see this very carefully. It is the mirror operation. Now apply the delay. Delay means what? Simply shift the right side. See, here start with -3. So now we can start with -2. Here start with 2. So here start with 3. So it is known as x of minus t plus 1. Now, now perform this type of example. Now, now we can do this type of example. T minus u of t minus 1. Now, first of all, what is the meaning of u of t? U of t, it is known as one type of basic signal. One type of basic signal that required to analyze the system. To analyze the system. See, this u of t means, I have write here, u of t is equal to unit step signal. U of t means unit step signal, basic signal used to used to analyze the system. Analyze the system like washing machine, like control system, any control system that can be represented in terms of model. At that time, unit step signal, it is required for basic signal, or we can say elementary signal. It is very, very useful for MCQ. What is the meaning of elementary signal? At that time, unit step, unit ramp, step, and unit impulse, unit step, unit ramp, and parabolic signal are known as elementary signal or basic signal. Now see u of t. U of t means what? See, this is known as u of t. Start at t equal to 0 and at up to infinite value, it consider as a only one amplitude. Amplitude is 1. And here consider as a u of t minus 1. U of t minus 1 means what? This signal. Delay with respect to u of t. Now if you can subtract this, here we can write sketch x of t. Now if you can subtract these two, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here amplitude is 1. So between 0 to 1, here amplitude is 1. So here it is known as x of t. Here it is known as x of t. So here it is final answer. Just subtract the amplitude. Remember that point. Now compression expansion is not present. Now only subtract the amplitude. Remember this point. So based on that, we have discussed the more example in next lecture. But here I have concluding the part basic signal or elementary signal. Elementary signal is known as unit impulse signal, second unit step signal, unit ramp signal, and parabolic signal. It is known as basic signal. Now unit impulse signal. Unit impulse signal means what? See, this is the example. Huh? This is the example. Unit impulse signal means what? Start at t equal to 0. Amplitude is 1. So it is known as basic impulse signal. It is known as basic impulse signal present in time domain. So it is known as unit impulse signal. And what is the equation of unit impulse signal? Delta of t. delta of t equal to 1 at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0, amplitude is 1. So it is known as unit impulse signal. Now, unit step signal. Unit step signal means what? Here u of t. So here amplitude 1. So here u of t equal to 1 for t t less than 0, it is equal to 0. So it is known as unit impulse signal. Sorry, unit step signal. First of all, what is the signal which is known as unit impulse? It is known as unit step signal. And integration of unit impulse, it is most important for MCQ. Signal is known as unit step signal. It is known as unit step signal. Integration of unit impulse signal, it is known as unit step signal. Why? Because impulse signal can be exist only this region. If you can integrate this term, if you can collect different amount of unit impulse signal, so it is known as unit step signal. So integration of unit impulse signal, it is known as unit step signal. So it is the equation, and this is the fundamental concept. Remember that point. It is all type of basic signal, or we can say elementary signal. Based on that, we can develop or we can analyze the basic system, basic control system. So it is known as unit step signal. Now, unit ramp signal. Ramp signal can be like that. Here t and here y of t. Y of t means what? Output of system. One type of Ohm's law based graph, unit ramp signal. A collection of different unit step signal. So integration of step signal is known as ramp signal. Integration of step signal is known as ramp signal. So ramp signal R of t equal to t. And next, which is known as parabolic signal. Next, which is known as parabolic signal. For parabolic signal, integration of ramp signal is known as parabolic signal. Integration of ramp signal, it is known as parabolic signal, one type of exponential signal. So it is known as basic signal that we have discussed here. So it is the completion of this particular lecture. In next lecture, we have discussed the example, complicated example based on the elementary signal. And after that, we can switch over to the system. After that, we can switch over the signal. And also in next lecture, we have classified different signals and application try to understand application of this. Thank you.